How to change age on Hellotalk application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Hellotalk application. Now, log in with your account details. Simply click on sign in with Google, choose your email address and after that you will be able to log in. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then after, click on setting gear icon at the top right corner. Then simply go to help option. And now in this category you need to choose your problem. You will see in the search box when you see at the top, how can I change my age, gender or nationality? Now due to privacy reason, it does not allow to modify this kind of information. So simply click on the blue here icon which will take you to this form. And now here you need to provide the detail of your problem. In description I have written I want to change my age. If you want you can also include a screenshot. Provide your email and choose the category of the problem. Choose account, privacy setting and then click on submit feedback. And shortly the privacy and setting department of Hellotalk application will get in contact with you and assist you to change your age. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such a tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.